manages to bail out at the last second. Skips across the water, stopping just short of the shoreline. Then the driverless boat hits the bank, launches into the air, and clears the trees. The rescue crews finally arrive. As they rush him to the shore, he indicates that he's okay.
You think he raced again?
Yeah, I think she's trying to look for the hat in there. She's trying to find the proper tooth because they didn't have one at one.
For baby?
Yeah.
I've been in a helicopter. Every so often, I think, is the worst possible thing that can happen in a helicopter. Yeah. And especially when you get unexpected turbulence. Right. Well, this helicopter is not only just in turbulence, he's also slinging in a 3,500-pound air conditioning unit off a very tall building. Take a look.
The first unit is plucked off the roof and placed directly on the awaiting flatbed below. The next pickup starts out just as smoothly as the first. Just as he's about to make his descent, things start to go wrong. The pilot loses control. The helicopter